Stencil patterns are very much as they suggest. They are patterns for creating stencils. These are loaded in very much the same way as basic shapes. We start by turning the machine on, pressing the Home button, then tapping the OK button on screen. Then tap the pattern icon, scroll down and find the Stencil pattern category. Choose one of the subcategories and then any one of the designs that appear on screen. You will be able to set the height or width and the number of repetitions you would like for that particular pattern. You will be able to make certain changes to designs, however this is a solid group and therefore can't be ungrouped to edit parts individually.